Let's now pull up the layer for PIREPS. A couple urgent ones, the ones outlined in red, are a big deal. This one here in Virginia, Piper with turbulence moderate to severe. Over Louisville, DA20, moderate turbulence, low level wind shear plus or minus 10 knots between the surface and 1,000. DA20 is a very small airplane. It's going to be much more subject to the whims of the wind. Cessna 172 over Nashville, 3,500 feet. Severe turbulence at 3,500. Okay, this one is a Boeing 767 reporting severe turbulence between flight level 230 and 270. No damage or injuries. So when you see a Boeing 767 reporting severe turbulence, you know it is bad. In the Northeast, I'm seeing reports of icing and turbulence. Here over Colorado, we see a few PIREPS for turbulence as well. Here in Florida, most of these PIREPS are showing cloud bottoms and tops. The big story here is over in the East Coast, all of the turbulence and icing PIREPS. So we have the air mets, which basically are where the forecasters say the models are showing us that it's highly likely you're going to experience turbulence or icing in these places. PIREPS exist for a couple reasons. One of the biggest ones is to inform other pilots about the actual conditions as they exist right now, and at what altitude and the type of airplane and what the conditions are in terms of, is the turbulence light in severity or is it severe? And same thing with the ice. Is it light or severe? And what type of ice is it? So those PIREPS exist for pilot communication. They also exist for pilot to forecaster communication. Forecasters put out these air mets, but if they never get a PIREP that confirms it or denies it, then they don't really know if it was accurate or not. We can also use PIREPS to communicate with controllers who can then use that information to better control traffic and put them in the most comfortable and safe positions. These PIREPS are saying to me that in addition to everything we saw up in the Northeast and the Northwest and some added areas, I wouldn't want to be flying in these places where I see lots of PIREPS.